hele goede middag beste passagiers en welkom aan boord van deze KLM Cityhopper naar Amsterdam. De vluchttijd van vandaag zal ongeveer 1 uur en 15 minuten bedragen. A very good afternoon dear passengers and welcome on board this KLM Cityhopper flight to Amsterdam. Our flight time today will be approximately 1 hour and 15 minutes. My name is Iris and together with my colleague Julia, we will be your cabin crew on today's flight. We would like to extend a special welcome to our Flying Blue and Sky team members. Welcome back. In a few moments, we would like to start with some flight safety instructions on board. If you have any questions, then please feel free to ask one of us. And to respect everyone's privacy, it is not allowed to photograph or film passengers or crew without their permission. For now, we wish you a very pleasant flight.
Dear passengers, please fasten your seatbelt. This is how to fasten the seatbelt and tighten it. And this is how to open it. There are 4 emergency exits on board. 2 doors at the rear . Takeoff and could fall out unexpectedly.